Hello! This video is part of my full service guide of my wife's 2014 Peugeot 208, and today we're doing the cabin filter. This is actually quite nice, so for once you don't have to rip out part of the dash. Just here under the bonnet you've got this little sort of vent. Pull the tabs and loosen it, and in there the little sort of door, so again you've got a couple more tabs to push, more plastic, more tabs, so just go easy. Left and right hand side, and then that pulls down. And in here you've got two filters, a large and then a smaller one. So you're just going to pull the larger one straight out. And then the smaller one is in and to the right. So my head kind of gets in the way here, but I do have a little hook tool just to properly grab it. And then just pull it straight out. So it's in and then to the right. Be mindful then, airflow is down, as shown by this instructions as well. I think the airflow is going into the cabin, down into the cabin. So that's the way we want the arrows. I'm going to start with the smaller one. Push that in all the way to the back and then to the right. This is a bit fiddly because it folds and bends. But just keep at it until it's sat nice and flush. Now that one's in. I'm going to get the second one. Again, airflow down. And this is the larger of the two. And this pushes into the space that's been left. And that is that. Clip that back on top. Close up the bonnet and have a lovely day. Bye for now.